how to enable or disable iCloud mail cleanup on iPhone. First, let's return back to the home screen. Now from the home screen, tap on Settings. Then in Settings, we tap on the Apple account name at the top. Next, we tap on iCloud. In here, tap on CO, and then tap on iCloud Mail. After that, we scroll down and tap on iCloud Mail Cleanup. From here, tap on Use iCloud Mail Cleanup. Tap on the toggle button to switch it off, or we can turn it on. Here, once you turn it on, you can use Get Recommendations or Not Now. And then tap on Done, and that's it. So here, if there are recommendations, you can follow it. Finally, you can swipe up to return back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. If you find it helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.